I'll show you how to create a custom header using the RTS Header and Footer Builder. First, go to RTS Header and Footer Builder from your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New Header or Footer. Now, give your header a name. You can name it Main Header or anything you prefer. Next, choose the template type. From the drop-down, select Header. After that, set the display condition. Here, you can choose where this header will appear. Make sure only one header is set for the entire website to avoid conflicts. Once done, click Publish. Then click Edit with Elementor. Now the Elementor editor will open, where you can design your header visually. First, add a container. I'm using a Flexbox container with 3 columns. From the container settings, you can adjust the container width based on your design needs. Now let's add the header elements. In the first column, search for the RTS logo widget and drag it into the container. Select Custom Logo, then upload your logo or choose one from the media library. You can adjust the logo width from the Style tab. Next, in the second column, search for the RT Mega Menu widget and add it. From the settings, select your menu. You can also choose different layouts and enable the responsive menu option for mobile devices. In the third column, I'll add a button widget and style it as needed. This is just a demo header. You can add anything you like, such as icons, search, or social links. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Now, visit your website. You'll see the header displayed across the entire site. When you navigate to other pages, the same header appears everywhere. That's it! Thank you for watching. Get Invena today.